Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, what is an outer anterior segment and posterior segment? First, we have two segments of the eye, anterior segment and posterior segment. Now, anterior segment will again have two chambers, which is anterior chamber and the posterior chambers. So, first, what is anterior segment? The eye is divided into anterior segment and the posterior segment based on the lens. So this is the ciliary body, choroid, and this is the iris. So here we have the lens, right? In the lens, the segment anterior to the lens is called as anterior segment, whereas the one posterior to the lens is called as posterior segment. Now in the anterior segment, here we will have the pupil. So the segment or the area, the chamber which is anterior to the pupil is called as anterior chamber, and the part of the anterior segment posterior to the pupil but anterior to lens, this is called as posterior chamber. So we have anterior chamber and posterior chamber. So these two are the fluid filled areas of the fluid filled areas of the eye. So we have anterior chamber and the posterior chamber. First, anterior chamber, where is it located? It is located between the cornea and the iris. So this is the iris, this is the cornea. Between the cornea and the iris we have anterior chamber. So similarly we have posterior chamber. Posterior chamber is present between the iris and the ciliary processes. Posterior chamber is present between the iris and this is the ciliary process. Between the iris and ciliary processes we have posterior chamber. Then this is anterior segment.
thank you and thank you for watching.